Mommy had the same thing. Mommy had the same thing. Mommy had chicken just like you, baby. Come here, Gucci.
He has something wrong with his teeth.
Gucci.
Sickening forever.
Hey, you guys. As you could see, it's hot as fuck. Look at my cheeks. They're like red. So if I'm hot, how do you think Gucci feels? Okay. So I'm at the Target. Super Target. Okay. And I'm going to get Gucci some water so he or she could drink for the next few days until I come back to the house, because I need to go to my mom's to go see my sister and I need to work. Like, I can't have a dog. Like, that's not gonna work. Like, my life is too busy. I don't have a house. Goldfish 1998. My boyfriend, my parents, my sister, my mom, people that know me don't trust me with animals. You guys, I have no idea what type of food to get Gucci, but my best bet is the more expensive, the better, because Gucci deserves the best. He's a street dog. He didn't get shot. He didn't get run over. He's still alive. He's thug life. He knows to be humble. Okay, mission accomplished. Look, my hairs are ready to the side of my head because just picking out what type of water and food and container is a lot of hard work. I don't know how people have kids. So if you have kids, I love you. You're amazing. But maybe this is a way for me to show John that I could handle a human life or a life, and he might want to have babies with me one day or soon or in 2 years or someday. Okay, bye. Gucci, this is the closest we've been where you're posted and I'm posted. Maybe one day you'll be closer to me. Are you sleeping while I'm telling you my love for you? Gucci, do you want to go to the doctor and get shots? No, you won't even drink water for me. Okay, well, this is it for now. This is an improvement. Big improvement. Deuces, you guys. I love you, Gucci. Please like my video, subscribe to my channel. Please leave any comments that you would like. Where's John?